Hello everyone, welcome back to Pilipinas Simple Life in America. And today's video is I'm going to harvest my squash and update on my garden. So I hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video to your friends and family. Let's go harvest some of the vegetables. This one is the trellis. Remember, I guess I had a video for this one that the trellis, it's my DIY, but it's it's getting weak or whatever. It's almost like fell down with the squash that it's kind of heavy. So later on, before the next season, I will fix it. But look at my harvest, guys. It's a big squash. They call it kombucha or kabocha. I don't know, but yeah. So let's go see the other plants or other vegetables. And this one, guys, is a cantaloupe that hit by the really heat, and it looks not good, but I pick it anyway. Now I'm picking up the okra. Okra is tolerable with the heat, so they grow whatever, they like the heat, so they give me okra. I like okra because it's good for your health, and I grew up eating okra. So yeah, the okra, you need to harvest that like every other day, otherwise they're not good the next day because of they grow and get hard, so it's not good to eat anymore. But some of the okra that I found, it's hard, and the cantaloupe, I will put that in my composter. So, and look at my eggplant, guys. The eggplant is a lot, but most of them are getting dry with the heat. So I will see if I can get some good that I can eat. But yeah, some are eatable and most of them are ruined with the heat. And this is my asparagus. The asparagus is still growing really well. There's some shoot that coming, and also my lupa is still growing well, but I didn't see any lupa yet. And of course, I have my jute, the saluyot. This is native spinach that I love it. They're really good. They are native, but we call that kulitis in my language, in Ilonggo, and it's really good. It's green, and they're growing really well. There's some in here. At spring and the summer. Before summer, they already grow. And also, I still have my cantaloupe, and there's a lot. I already harvest some, the second batch, and maybe I harvest the third batch. And also I have this one, the asparagus, and the other side. I have asparagus in the pot, and they're looking really good. Pretty soon I'm going to harvest some of shoot. They have a shoot right now, and I need to clean them. Also, I have the saluyot and the other side, and also I have the green onion, and I show you guys the saluyot that I transplant. And also these seeds is, I believe, the saluyot that before I spread some seeds in there. And also the update of my cucumber, beets, and my mint, and also some seeds, the onion, and the eggplant on the other side, they're looking good. And my bell pepper, I'm glad that I harvest some in the springtime. And look at this, guys, my Anaheim, all the Anaheim that grows, the fruits, it doesn't look really good because of the heat. So that's what the heat do and in my produce. But anyway, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next episode. We harvest the cantaloupe, okra, the squash, and the update of the garden. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.